In today's video, I will show you how to export a dashboard as a PDF in Metabase. So step by step, nice and simple. So first you need to be logged into your Metabase profile. Once you're logged in, open the dashboard you want to export. So right here, we will go on the left side to our analytics, to the examples, and now search for this one. So I created this one here, open up. Now what you need to do, pretty simple. You will go here to the sharing button, this arrow that pointing to the right up corner, click on it, and you will see here export as PDF. Click on that button and it will download it in PDF. And this is basically it. This is how you can export your dashboard to PDF. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.